Hello everyone, welcome to 3.8, which is adding decimals, or add decimals. The essential question is, how can place value help you add decimals? So the steps that you need to take is you need to line up the numbers and decimals. That's the most important step, because if you don't line it up, you're going to get your answer wrong. You're going to want to add any zeros and any blank spaces, and then add or subtract right to left. So this is mostly review, because we did a lot of this in, I think, 3.5. So let's go ahead and go over this with the first example. Okay? Henry recorded the amount of rain that fell during 2 hours. In the first hour, Henry measured 2.35 centimeters of rain. In the second hour, he measured 1.82 centimeters of rain. He estimates about 4 centimeters of rain fell. What is the total amount of rain that fell? And how can you use this estimate to determine if his answer is accurate? Or they said, if your answer is reasonable. I changed it to accurate because I think that makes more sense. So if you need to write this down, go ahead. Hopefully you've written it down. Let's go ahead and start. So we want to highlight the key numbers, 2.35 and 1.82. And they're asking you to estimate and to find the total. So we can estimate the whole numbers by looking at the number to the right. Okay? The 3 tells the 2 to stay the same, to stay as a 2. And the 8 tells the 1 to go up to 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, and that's what Henry estimated. So let's actually see what's the actual answer. And the way that we can do this is 2.35 plus 1.82. I lined up my numbers. I lined up my decimals. If you look, my decimals are all lined up. Okay? And now let's solve. I'll put my decimal down first thing. I'm going to add right to left. 5 plus 2 is 7. 8 plus 3 is 11. Carry the 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Plus 1 is 4. So the answer is 4.17. Now, is Henry's estimate accurate? Like, is it reasonable? Is it close to 4.17? And the answer is yes, right? Because 4 is close to 4.17. Now, if the answer was 5.17 or 4.67 or 4.57 even, well, I'd say maybe not, because I would round that up to 5. But in this case, yes, it is. All right, and I think that's the only word problem you're going to have. Let's go ahead and do the second example, and I believe, yes, this is the last example you have. This says estimate, then find the sum. So let's go ahead and write it out. 20. Oh, let's change the color. Sorry. Okay, 20.4 plus 13.76. Now notice there's a blank space right here, so we need to fill it in with a 0. Okay. Now if I was to estimate this, it would be 20.4 plus 13.76. Okay, if I was to estimate according to the nearest whole number, the 4 would tell the 20 to stay the same, and the 7 would tell the 3 to move up to 4, making it 14. So my estimation is 34. And let's see if we're close. Okay, we're going to bring the decimal down and add right to left. 0 plus 6 is 6. 4 plus 7 is 11. 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 3 is 4. And 2 plus 1 is 3. 34.16, and look at that. It's very close to my estimation here. All right, that's all you're going to be doing today. You're going to estimate, and then you're going to find the actual sum. Okay, it doesn't matter if it's close or not. You just need to find the estimate and the sum. All right, thank you for watching, and you have a good one. Any questions, please make sure you write them down.